Welcome to Richpeace CAD software online lessons. Today is teach you, compasses tool. Function, single compasses make fixed length line from key point to line, usually used in drawing shoulder, straight armhole, waist base line of sleeve arc. Select, compasses tool. Click on line, you can see dialog box, input value, and click OK. Double compasses. Through two fixed point, make two appointed line, usually used in base line of sleeve arc, peak lape of custom fashion etc. Click on point, then click another point, then drag and click, you can see dialog box. The first click point is matching with first length. Thanks for watching today's video. See you tomorrow.